Stop trading your hours for dollars and start building a digital legacy that pays you while you sleep. Digital products are the ultimate shortcut to achieving true financial freedom today. Number one, ebooks and digital guides. Writing an ebook allows you to share your unique expertise with the entire world. Once you publish it online, it becomes a permanent asset that generates sales every single day. Digital guides are perfect for solving specific problems quickly. Customers love buying short, helpful PDFs that offer immediate solutions, making them one of the easiest products to sell and automate. The best part about ebooks is the zero-cost distribution. You never have to worry about printing or shipping, allowing you to keep every single penny of profit from your sales. Number two, online video courses. Online courses are a fantastic way to teach skills to a global audience. You record your lessons once, upload them to a platform, and watch as students enroll every single hour. Video content builds immense trust with your customers. It allows people to learn at their own pace while you enjoy a steady stream of income without needing to be present. Scaling an online course business is simple and effective. You can reach thousands of students simultaneously, meaning your earning potential is truly unlimited compared to traditional teaching or physical consulting. Number three, professional design templates. Busy entrepreneurs are always looking for high-quality design templates. By creating social media layouts or business flyers, you save them time while building a very profitable and automated income stream. Tools like Canva have made it easy for anyone to sell templates. Once your designs are listed on a marketplace, the system handles every transaction and delivery for you automatically. Digital planners and journals are also incredibly popular today. People enjoy using these digital files on their tablets to stay organized, providing you with consistent sales throughout the entire year. Number four, stock photos and audio. If you have a passion for photography, stock websites are your best friend. Uploading your high-quality images allows businesses to buy them for their own marketing materials around the clock. Musicians can also benefit by selling royalty-free beats and sound effects. Content creators everywhere need original audio for their videos, creating a massive and constant demand for your creative work. Every download of your media earns you a royalty payment. Over time, a large portfolio of stock assets can provide a significant monthly income that requires absolutely no daily maintenance. Number five, subscription membership sites. Membership sites provide recurring income by offering exclusive content to subscribers. Members pay a monthly fee for access, giving you a predictable and stable paycheck that grows with every person. You can build a community around your passion or expertise. By providing ongoing value and support, you create loyal customers who are happy to pay for your insights every month. Automation tools make managing a membership site very easy. From billing to content delivery, everything can be set to run on autopilot, leaving you free to enjoy your daily life. Thank you very much.